Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. As always, thank you guys for consistently supporting me anytime I upload a video. I really honestly do appreciate every single one of you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 ingredients to make an effective hair growth oil to stop breakage, fallout, stimulate the hair, which will help blood flow to the scalp. It also helps with the scalp issues like dandruff, itchy scalp. It also promotes healthy hair. The first ingredient you're going to need is clove. Then the second ingredient you're going to need is ginger. So I'm going to be adding my clove into the blender. Then I'm going to put it aside. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is ginger. So ginger stops your hair from falling. It helps stimulate your scalp. It helps with dryness. It stops split end. It keeps our hair shiny and healthy. It also promotes healthy, strong, thicker and faster hair growth. So if you're still watching till this stage, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you all. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Patient. In this channel we do beauty, lifestyle and hair growth tips, just like this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and also please do comment down below, because I honestly do enjoy reading you guys' comments. So as you can see, I'm cutting the back of my ginger. After doing this, I'm going to cut the ginger into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to add it into my blender. When it comes to this oil, I'm telling you guys, it's super effective. It's amazing and it smells amazing as well. I'm going to be adding the chopped ginger into my blender. Once I'm done adding the ginger into the blender, I'm going to add coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but try to use oil that is light in consistency. So the reason why I'm adding the oil into the blender with the 2 ingredients, so that it's easy for me to blend. Now I'm going to blend it into a smooth consistency. After blending, I'm going to pour the ingredients into the pan. How nice if I just could let you in, let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down. Now I'm going to cook it on a low heat for 45 minutes. Make sure it's on a low heat so that you don't kill all the nutrients from the ingredients. So when you're cooking it, make sure you stir so it doesn't burn. This oil is amazing for hair loss, scalp issue, slow growth hair and alopecia. If I gave you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. After cooking for 45 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm going to allow it to sit for 10 minutes so it can cool down because I don't want to burn my hands. After 10 minutes of cooling down, this is how it looks. Now we're going to drain it, so you can use anything you have to drain the oil out. I'm going to be using a dome cap. You can use a wig cap or anything else you have to drain the oil out. So for best result, use this oil 3 times a week by massaging it into your scalp, or you can use it as a pre-poo. You can add it into your moisturizer, you can add it into your treatment or your hot treatment. This oil can be stored in the fridge up to 2 weeks. Now I'm going to transfer the oil into my bottle.
Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it.
I would have loved to show you guys how to apply the oil onto your hair, but my daughter wasn't having any of it, and I don't have any strength to be chasing her up and down. So what you guys need to do is just apply the oil straight to your scalp and massage it for at least good 10 minutes. And then if you have issues or problems with your edges, you can also add the oil to your edges. Make sure your hair is in cornrow. Best way to maintain and grow your hair if your hair is in cornrow. Don't be adding extensions. Extension breaks hair. Extension will break all your edges and you will have no edges left. So if you want to grow longer hair, you need to pull your hair in a protective style, which is cornrow. So as I said before, focus on your scalp and massage it really well. So guys, I have shown you how to use a simple ingredient to make an effective hair growth oil for your scalp and for your hair growth. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment. As I said before, I do enjoy reading you guys' comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, bye.